Champion select lag and pick order errors are killing your game right now, but we're fixing it immediately with these proven methods. The latest update introduced some serious hiccups, but the first step is to dive into your game's graphics settings within the client itself. Lowering your resolution and disabling any flashy background effects can drastically reduce the strain on your system, clearing up that choppy draft experience. If that doesn't completely smooth out the champion select draft lag, the issue usually stems from corrupted game files, which brings us to method 2. We're going to verify the integrity of your game files, allowing the client to scan for and repair any damaged data that might be causing those pick order errors. After that, if you're still facing delays, the problem often lies with outdated network drivers. Access your PC's device manager, find your network adapter, and ensure you have the absolute latest driver installed. This is crucial for stable connections during the draft phase. Finally, if none of those steps resolve the champion select lag and pick order error, we'll perform a complete reset by navigating to the game's configuration folder and deleting those specific files, forcing the client to rebuild a fresh, clean setup.